and it makes your room look like that. Everything already matches. On the road to poverty. I didn't tell you where I'm moving. So today is the first day that I actually go out and start shopping before I move into my new apartment. It's Monday and my move-in day is Friday. So I have around 5 days to fully prepare before I move in. I guess the first place that we're going is Home Goods. The good thing is the apartment that I'm moving into is furnished. But there's obviously so many other things that go into moving into a house. That's what I'm figuring out with my mom today. She's gonna be tagging along and obviously helping me because I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. So we made it. Oh my god, it's so bright out. This is gonna be our first stop. I'm basically trying to buy like all the basics. I don't really have a list. That would have been better. We're here. And should I just buy a Christmas tree?
No.
I think that's the only thing I want. Only thing I need in all of Home Goods. And I think I want the huge...
We can skip the cooking things because you don't do that.
Guys, I'm so desperate to buy these Christmas decorations, but there's literally no point. Thank God you're here. Like, I would have never thought that I needed that.
Turkish.
Oh my God, what the heck? Adult things. And I just bought some chocolate chips because that's obviously an essential. I told her I'm getting this for the olive oil. This is all we got so far. Okay.
What do you think?
It looks good. Never thought I would need this either. Yeah. Okay, so we like this one. Oh my God, dear God. How much is this? 50. I need something like this to put like socks, underwear, PJs and stuff, but these are so tiny and like overpriced. Why is furniture shopping so pricey? No one told me about that part. I'm getting these bins to just put in like bikinis, socks. I don't know. I feel like bins are an essential. This is cute for like my bathroom. I'll get this. If you guys watched my like moving into college dorm video, I kind of did something like this where we went shopping for my dorm, and now it's a lot harder because apartment shopping requires so much more thought and things. But last year the theme of my dorm was very like cute, warm, pink tones, white tones. My apartment now is kind of like black furniture with like hardwood floors, so I want to have like a black, white, pink theme. So that's why like a lot of the things that I'm buying right now are like white, light pink, or black, or colorway. Like a bath mat. I would have never thought I needed to buy a bath mat. Hand wash for the kitchen and the bathroom. Right now we're doing bathroom stuff. Just got this trash can, this little soap holder. Everything is coming together very cute. Baby. This is exactly what I need. Just in the smack in the middle of my living room. Or this actually. I really want a beanbag. This color's like not the cutest, but like I want to get a love sack. Like the huge beanbag. That's what I need to get. I'll be in contact with them. I need a lot of mirrors. That's just how it is. I need to buy a full body mirror, quarter length mirror, face mirror, zoom in mirror, outside mirror, a lot of mirrors. Okay, surprisingly, the mirrors here aren't that bad. Like this whole gigantic mirror is 22 bucks and this is like 25. I don't know which one I'd rather have. Like one with a frame, it's kind of light pink. So that's cute. Or one without a frame, and then it's like modern. I don't know. Where's my mom? Is your mom like this too? When you go to Marshall's or Home Goods, she spends all her time in the dog section and just buys stuff for Jax. Yeah, I'm talking about you. She's like, guilty. What did you buy him? Literally, he probably has 7 dog bowls, but he just needs to have another one. I really like
another generous donation for St. Jude.
This is so cute. Oh, that's really cute. Maybe I'll get that one for the kitchen. And then the pink fluffy for my bedroom. But I also really want to buy this white fluffy, but it's like gonna get so dirty. It's already dirty. I wanted to get that for my living room, and then this one for my kitchen. That's a lot of rugs. That's a steal, 22 bucks. Everything already matches. It's so cute. And I'm gonna cry.
Can you hear the beat? Can you hear the passion? passion of the fever at your feet. Light of the night, heat of the day.
We're fully loaded. On the road to poverty. Yes. Yes. Are we buying shoes today? Okay, so from Marshall's, we got these towels that we can use for the kitchen and also the bathroom. And then I found this really nice white fluffy blanket, another adult cooking thing. And then I got a Calvin Klein bra because Marshall's is the best place to get Calvin Klein. Everything is like half off. So we have 4 things so far. Yes.
You want?
A lot, please. Another pink and white moment. I'm getting this for like the little tiny bathroom. And then I found some more hangers, these big black bins to put in my closet so I can fill them up with stuff. Shower caddy, shower curtain, shower rod. I don't even know how to install this. Okay, bathroom coming along. So today's shopping trip was a success. We got all that we wanted and more actually. Some things that I didn't even think we would need. The rest of my shopping adventures are gonna continue online. For now, we're getting sushi.
'Cause I never knew when
We killed this.
I killed.
Yeah, actually. So I said yesterday that I was gonna do the rest of my shopping online, and I just added a lot of fun, exciting things to my cart. The first one isn't that exciting. They're just like these little rings for my shower curtain. The next item is like this laser projector to the sky, and it makes your room look like that. How insane. I'm getting that. It's only 50 bucks. I'll link everything that I'm buying down below if you guys want to purchase any of these. I kind of want to make my apartment like a really chill like hangout place where all my friends can come hang out at. So I kind of want to make it decorated cool so that people like coming there, and so I feel like really homey since it's a 1-bedroom and I'm gonna be living in there by myself. I feel like if I like the way it's decorated, I'll be happier just spending time there alone, feel more comfortable. So I got 2 of these pink cloud neon lights, and I want to put these in my living room like behind my couch. This has nothing to do with moving, but I just need a tripod. This is really exciting. It's like a swinging chair, and somehow I need to figure out a way to like mount this to the ceiling. Ooh, okay, yeah. Let's answer this. I was vlogging.
Oh, sorry to interrupt.
Well, my vlog missed you. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm eating a salad.
And then finally, I just thought this was funny and cute because you guys know I'm a dinosaur. Yeah, I'm gonna be ordering all of these right now. What's up? So it's Thursday and I move tomorrow. I feel like I didn't tell you where I'm moving. I'm moving back to Santa Barbara. Surprise! Woo! Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, as clarification, I could state that I don't really have to move everything tomorrow. Like, I want to have the house set up so that when I do go there, before I have to like officially have everything moved in, it's still like in a livable situation. But for now, like, I'm just kind of gonna bring clothes that I would need like when I visit up until January, which is when school starts, and like I would actually have to be living there full time. For now, I'm just gonna be kind of going back and forth between SB and LA. It's time to pack my clothes. So this is where we keep suitcases. Let's see if I can even do this on my own. There she is. She's really far. Okay, I think I need help because I'm literally gonna fall and kill myself. Oh, hey, this is trippy. POV when you're the suitcase and I'm trying to remove you from the shelf. You're strong, right?
Yes.
Anna, don't leave it, please. Okay, now you're good. She had a baby! My mom laughing from the other room. Sorry. What do I pack? How do you pack to to move somewhere. Honestly, I just need the poopy jacket, and that's really all I need in Santa Barbara. The poopy jacket covers half the suitcase. That's the problem with it. This lamp.
Look at the way your name is written on the sky.
So everything is now loaded into my car. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on move-in day. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of this series. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye.